Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last video we had seen basic commands of QBasic. Today we are going to discuss how to write program in QBasic. So first program here we have write a program in QBasic to display birthday message for your friend. Okay, so how to write? First we have to use CLS command. You know very well. This is the first line we can say where we have to write CLS command. Okay, then print, then within double quote we have to write the name. Okay, here you have to write your friend name, as you can see here, dear Rajesh, same way dear Ram, dear Rahim, like that you can write. Okay, then print within double quote happy birthday to you, then print statement within double quote may God bless you, then print statement within double quote many happy returns of the day, and finally you have to give int command. Okay, now let me show you in QBasic how to write. So here you can see the icon. This is QBasic icon. This is QBasic application. This application first we have to open. So by clicking left button 2 times we can open this. I'm going to click. So this is how we can open this QBasic platform. Now here this is the screen, blue screen. Here we supposed to write the program. Okay, so first here you can see the first number is mentioned, first line. Okay, so now first we have to write CLS, then we have to give print statement, print within double quote dear Ram. Okay, same way again print statement, happy birthday to you. Okay, then again print statement, then may God bless you. Okay, then again print statement, many happy returns of the day. Okay, then finally end command. Okay, now I'm going to execute this and you see the result. For that what we have to do, so either we have to press F5 button or we have to click on this run option. Okay, then start. It will take some time, wait for a while, then you will see the result. Now you can see here, dear Ram, happy birthday to you, may God bless you, many happy returns of the day. Okay, so this is how we can print this message on the output screen. Okay, So here we have used print statement and CLS and int command. Okay, so both the things we have used. Okay, So I think it is this is clear to you. The next program we have, write a program in QBasic to print your name. Print your name, class, roll number and school using print statement. Using print statement. So here also we have to use print statement. See the program. First CLS command, then print. Within double quote we have to write name like this, then give this one, then Amit Kumar. Okay, instead of this you can write your name, then print in within double quote class 5B. Okay, print roll number. Okay, print school Don Bosco Academy, and finally end command. Okay, let me show you same thing, only we need to change here. First name, then class, then roll number, then school, academy. Okay, now let me run this. You can see the program name. I have mentioned Ajay Kumar, class 5B, roll number 1232, school Don Bosco Academy. Okay, let me run. You see the result. Now here you can see Ajay Kumar, class 5B, roll number 1232, school Don Bosco Academy. Okay, so this is how you can print. Okay, then we have write a program in QBasic to find sum of two number and display the result. Write a program in QBasic to find sum of two number and display the result using let statement. So here we have to use let statement for assigning the variable to a particular assigning the value to a particular variable. Okay, as you can see here, CLS let A, here we are assigning the value 123 to variable A. Okay, let B, here we are assigning 150 to the variable B. Okay, and let C equal to expression we have written here A plus B. A plus B, that means addition of A and B will be stored in variable C. So finally we have to print C to get the output. Okay, and finally end command. Okay, let me show you the practical. So CLS, then we have to take the variable. For that we need to take let statement. Let A equal to, suppose I am taking here 100. Same way let B equal to, here I am taking 700 or 750. Okay, now we have to find addition of A and B. So I am taking another variable, let C equal to, here we will write A plus B, because we store the value 100 in A, 750 in B. Okay, so expression we have written A plus B, that means addition will be stored in variable C. Okay, the result is going to store in C, so we have to print the variable C. Okay, print C B. Okay, now I'm going to run. You see the result. 750 plus 100, 850. Now here you can see the result, 850. Okay, so this is how we can find out the addition of two number. Okay, same way. Now here we have write a program in QBasic to multiply two numbers and display the result. Now here we have to find the product of two number. Okay, so CLS, let A is equal to 15. Here we are assigning 15 to the variable A. Let B equal to 40. 40 we are assigning to the variable B. Let M equal to A into B. This is the asterisk sign. Okay, this is the multiplication sign in computer language, asterisk. This is what this is, asterisk. Okay, so A asterisk B. Okay, M equal to A asterisk B. That means the product of A and B is going to store in this variable M. Okay, so we will print variable M. Here you can see print M, and finally end. Now let me show you. Suppose instead of C I am taking here M. Okay, and this A asterisk, sorry, A asterisk B. Now print M. Okay, now you can see A having 100 and B having 750. Okay, so what will be the answer? Now you can see the output, 75,000. Okay, this is the output of this program. Understood? So this is how we can write the program. Now how to close QBasic platform. For this we have 3 steps. Let me read out the step, then I'll show you the practical. So step number 1, click file menu and select exit. Step number 2, press enter key if you have made any changes in the current program. Then the system will ask for a confirmation from the user. Now step number 3, click yes, no or cancel according to your need. Okay, now let me show you the practical. Suppose you want to close this platform or close this application. For that, either you have to click on this close button or you have to click on this file menu. Then you will get exit option. So just click on that. Then you will get the message program is not saved, save it now. So if you want to save, then click on save option, otherwise click on no option. Okay, or click on cancel to continue with this screen. Okay, so I don't want to save now, so I'm going to click on no. Okay, now you can see the QBasic platform or QBasic closed. Okay, so this is how we can close this application. Understood? So children, today whatever I have discussed with you, I hope each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.